Hey guys, my name is Vanessa Connery. I am one of the science teachers here at APS Avenues. If you are working on your GED, or if you're part of the blended program or the full virtual program, I'll be your science person this year. Um, and I know it's going to be a very strange year because the first quarter is virtual. And we don't know what's going to happen from there. So I just want to talk to you guys about, science class and then also some of the things that'll be a little strange or odd or maybe challenging about this first quarter. Um, the first thing is that I want to talk about access to all the materials. It's a lot easier to access stuff when you're on site and you can just ask for a printout or borrow a new computer. So I want you guys to know that if you need tech, the district has that to lend out. If you borrowed tech last year and it's broken or not working, you can exchange that and we can communicate about that. Um, the other thing is that I've tried to make everything, on Schoology, which is our online platform, as accessible as possible, but there are some things that are in PDF form, which, to complete, you'll either have to print out or use software to kind of fill out or just kind of answer stuff in your science notebook that you'll have and submit photos. So I want you guys to feel free to ask me for anything you need help with or need access to. um, if we needed to, I'm sure we could arrange some sort of pickup for physical paper materials at the building where you wouldn't be coming into the school, but I could have an envelope ready for you at the building to pick up. um, what else is going to be weird? I think the biggest shift besides going online is that you guys are going to be fitting a semester's worth of material, so 16 weeks of learning material into 20 days. So when you have my class, you only have it for 20 days and you'll have to fit a lot of learning into those 20 days. And I realize it's high pressure, but it also means you're getting credits much more quickly. Instead of working a semester, you're getting a credit in 4 weeks, basically. Um, but what that translates to for all of us is that we're working longer days on single classes. So you guys will be online with me for about 3 hours a day live. Um, I'll be teaching and like supporting and instructing, but also giving you work time and helping you to get through any like quirks or issues that you run into. And beyond that 3 hours, you'll probably be responsible for some homework on top of that to get the full semester's worth of credit. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. I realize it's completely different than what most of us are used to. Um, it also means that if you miss a day of class, you're missing a lot more material. Missing a day of class is basically like missing 4 or 5 days in a regular semester. So that's just something to bear in mind. That's another shift. Yeah, biology, earth science, and then if you're GED, I can help you with all of the sciences to pass that test. If you have questions about any other science classes you're taking, I can help you with that. And we have a really supportive team of administrators and teachers and staff here at APS Avenues who are really great about reaching out and helping and getting kids through whatever we can help you with. So please, please, please feel free to contact us. I hope you've been safe and healthy this summer. I hope this summer hasn't been horribly stressful on you and your family, because I know it has been for a lot of people. Um, and just, yeah, call or email me if you need anything. I'll be posting all my info on Schoology. And I hope this very short semester goes well for you. Take care. Bye.